This is how you're going to add your hyperlinks. You're going to highlight this, but only after you copy the link from down below. You can tell that these go to the internet, not your folder. Should not say anything about any ISD or Google. We are going to go down to number 6 because that's the next one I need. Well, I only have one of these. So the right way to do this is not copy this text by selecting it. Right-click on it, and you can copy the hyperlink. I only have one number 6, so I know that's the picture that I want. Now that I've copied that link, I can go and highlight the text I want to turn into a link, and then right-click on it. Does not have the make a link. That's why we need to use either the insert and this link option, or we can use our keyboard shortcut. Control K is going to bring up this insert hyperlink, and you paste it right here. It's already blinking, so Control V is going to paste the link in there. If I press home on my keyboard, you can see the beginning of this. That's a proper web link. If you click on the picture up here, that's a link to your folder, and that is not going to work. So click OK, and then you can check it. Pressing enter, you can see that it did open up on my side screen. That's the Puffy Cheetos picture. You can see right up here that it's not going to my project folder. Let's do another one, sci-fi. Number 7, I need to know which one of these I'm going to use. Try something here. So I can check them out. Let's see, is it this one? Yes, that's the one that I wanted. This is another place where you can get the link. Looking up here, I am on the internet. I can right-click on the image itself and copy the image address, just like I did when I was looking for pictures. I can go back to my Word document, go up to sci-fi, and again, highlight, Control K, and Control V to paste. This is the internet. Verify that. Make sure that this is going to go to the internet. You can even check it afterwards. And see, it opened up that same picture. And of course, after you turn in your Word document with all the links, make sure you check it. Look at what you've turned in, see if it looks like this, and test your links. When you click on these links, it should open up that picture. If not, there is something wrong with the way you did it, and you need to go double check.